Welcome to the Unity DPE power supply replacement demonstration. For more detailed instructions, always refer to the applicable procedure on support.emc.com. To begin, we're going to log into Unisphere using the admin account. As we can see on the Unity dashboard, in the System Health window, there are two hardware issues reported. Click the hardware icon to view more details. This brings us to the System View page. Here we can see that the disk processor enclosure, or DPE power supply A0, needs attention. Let's click on it for more information. Now we can see where the power supply for storage processor A, or SPA, is located. We can also take a look at the alerts page to confirm the problem. Here we see the alerts generated from a DPE power supply fault. To remove the faulty power supply from SPA, begin by rotating the power cord retention bail to the left and then disconnect the AC power cord from the power supply. Push and hold the orange release tab to the left and grasp the power supply by its handle. Remove it by pulling it from the SP assembly. Holding the replacement power supply with the power cord connector on the right, align it with the slot in the SP assembly. Push the power supply into the SP until it clicks into place. Connect the AC power cord to the power supply and secure the cord with the retention bail at the connector. The power supply fault LED turns off after about 2 seconds. To check the power supply status, log back into Unisphere. Begin by navigating to the System view. Click on the Enclosures tab and then select the DPE. Shown here is the rear view. Here we can see that the replaced power supply is now operating normally. Now let's check the alerts page. Here we can see the alerts associated with this procedure. We see the original 3 power supply alerts as well as 3 new ones indicating the storage system is operating normally. To complete the replacement task, we're going to acknowledge all the alerts associated with this action. This completes the Unity DPE power supply replacement demonstration.